The interior of Hoover and Hazel Park. Living room. Nice picture window in the front. Kitchen area has a new floor, new countertop. Laundry room area. Gas furnace. Gas hot water tank. There's some garbage here that still needs to be taken out of here. This home's just been done on rehab. Bathroom has a new floor, new paint. Pedestal sink. Bedroom 1, new paint, new blinds, new carpet. Bedroom 2, new paint, new blinds, new carpet. Bedroom 3 is off the front of the home. And the home, this would be considered bedroom 3, and there's actually another bonus room upstairs, which would be good for the kids, for storage or kids' bedrooms. The ceiling's a little low.